Hi, my name's Jonathan Fagan. I'm a Managing Director of 10% Legal Recruitment. And I wanted to spend a bit of time telling you about the company. And 10% Legal Recruitment's been established since April 2000. We recruit solicitors across the UK and also offshore. So for example, at the moment in 2016, currently working with a company in the Falkland Islands to look for solicitors for them. We set up a very long time ago with the naive idea that if we donated 10% of our profits to charity, then solicitors would love it, and we'd see lots of business and be extremely rich in a short period of time. That never happened, because most solicitors firms look at the idea of donating 10% to charity and think, what on earth are you doing? Why did you think of doing that? Why didn't you just make the fees a bit cheaper for us? We still donate 10% to charity because we're stuck with the name of the firm. 10%, if we changed our name to something else, we'd lose 16 years worth of brand recognition, which we don't really want to do. So we're staying with 10%, and we still donate 10% to charity. So far, in the years we've been doing it, we've donated to a good number of charities, quite a lot of them local to our offices up here in North Wales, but also down in London, because a good number of our clients are based in the area. To give you a couple of examples, Hanny & Co, Southwest London, who've been one of our clients for a good number of years, has suggested a local homeless hostel, and we've been donating to them for the last few years with the aim of carrying on that donation to support their kitchen work, and I expect to be able to do that for the foreseeable future. Up here in the northwest, we donate to a couple of charities based in Liverpool, one of which is a charity supporting women after domestic violence, and also a charity dealing with youth in the area of Kirby near to Liverpool, and it's a fairly deprived area, to say the least. So we've been around for some time, and donating to charities always seemed like a good idea. And that's what we'll carry on doing. So, apart from donating to charity, what else do we do? We place solicitors in solicitors' firms. We help in-house legal departments. We also recruit secretaries, paralegals, office managers, legal cashiers, you name it. If it's linked to law, we're prepared to do it. Good number of Magic Circle firms and larger solicitors' practices don't really have much to do with us, and haven't over the period of time I've been involved in recruitment. Not entirely sure why. It might be because we don't have a particularly traditional approach to recruitment. A good amount of our work is done online. I can count the number of candidates we've ever met on 2 hands and 2 feet, because it's an internet company. So we don't do face-to-face appointments very, very often. And I think quite a lot of the larger firms expect that personal touch, which is something we simply can't do. We're a small company, but we do a lot of work. So a good number of our clients, high street practitioners, niche commercial practices, in-house departments will use us from time to time. And we do have a growing number of locums who work through us, so we do pick up quite a few pieces of work through the locum side. And we put locums into high street practices again, niche commercial, some of the larger ones, but we don't again tend to get too many for the larger practices, and local authorities won't use us because we're not on the RPOs, which is the recruitment processing outsourcers websites. These are people like Matrix and Commensura who step in the middle and act as a go-between between the local authorities and the recruitment agencies, and it simply works by agencies posting CVs onto the RPO website and being told what the hourly rate will be, and it's basically just a race to get CVs in, something we've always tried to avoid. So 10% can help you if you're a high street practitioner looking for people, if you're a solicitor looking for a move into a smaller firm, if you're looking to sell your business, we're always happy to help. It's something we've done quite a few times over the years. And if you're just looking for a chat about your career, give us a call. because we can help, and we are prepared to. If you look at me, I am quite friendly. I don't bite too often. I'm a solicitor, non-practicing. My colleague, Claire Fagan, is a former GP, ended up in recruitment by mistake, I think. Pete Gresty has been around our company for just short of 10 years and has done a lot of recruitment in that time for a whole host of different firms. And our finance director, Pearl McNamara, who handles all the account side of things, always happy to have a chat with you. Okay, thanks for watching.